Hello, welcome to today's class. So today we want to look at factors of a number. What do we mean by factors of a number? Factors of a number refer to all numbers that can divide a number without a remainder. So we are looking at all numbers that can divide a number without a remainder. Once that happens, we say that the numbers are the factors of the number. So when you are asked what is a factor of a number, this is simply a factor of a number any number that can divide the number in question, the number without a remainder. Let's look at factors of 12. Example: list all factors of 12. Factors of 12, we want to list all the factors of 12. We start with 1. 1 can divide 12 without a remainder. And 1 divide 12 will give you 12. So you can write the answer that when you divide it, what you will have. We do again. 2 can divide 12 without a remainder. And when 2 divide 12, we have 6. What again can divide 12? We have 3 can divide 12 without a remainder. And after that, when it divides, we'll have 4. The next number that can divide 12 without a remainder is 4, which we have already written. And once you start getting the number you have written somewhere, that means you have listed all the factors of that number. So we say that factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. It is important to note that 1 is always a factor of any other number, and the number itself, for example, here we are talking about 12. 12 is a factor of itself. So we can call 1 a universal factor as it affects all other factors. Now let's take another example. Example 2. List all factors of, let's say, 16. So we start 16. 1 is a universal factor, and when it divides, it gives us itself 16. The next number that can divide 16 is 2. 2 divides 16 will give us 8. Observe how I write the answer that it gives at the extreme. Once I start getting the numbers here, then that means I have exhausted all the factors of the number. So let's continue. The next number that can divide 16, 3. 3 cannot divide 16. What again can divide 16? 4. 4 can divide 16. And 4 divides 16 will give us 4. automatically I've started repeating. 4 is here, 4 is here. So the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Now notice how I avoided repeating 4 because it is of no use to us to write it so many times. Let's take our last example. Taking our last example, we have find factors of let's say 63. Interesting. So to do this, we have 63. Let's list them. We start with the universal factor 1. 1 divided 63 will give us 63. I write it somewhere. Can 2 divide 63? 2 cannot divide 63 because 63 is not an even number. What other number can divide 63? 3. 3 can divide 63 because if I add 6 and 3, I will have 9. And 9 is also divisible by 3. So we have 3 here. So 3 divides 63, what would that give us? That will give us 21. Then again, that will give us 21. What number again can divide 63? 4 cannot divide it, 2 cannot divide it. 6. Can 6 divide 63? No. 6 can divide a number when 2 and 3 can divide that number. So 6 cannot divide 53. Why did I jump 5? Obviously 5 cannot divide it because this 63 did not end in 0 or 5. All these laws I'm talking about is from the law of divisibility. So what again can divide it? Can 7 divide 63? Can 7 divide 63? 7 can divide 63. 7 divided 63 will give us what? 7 divided 7 can divide. There is no particular law for 7, so we only have to try it. And by wealth of experience, I already know that 7 can divide 63 because 7 times 9 will give us 63. So we are having 7 divided 63 will give us 9. Another number that can divide 63, 8 cannot divide it since 2 cannot divide it. Which other number can divide 63? Then we are back to 9. So having 9 already on the board, it means that we have exhausted all factors of 63. So factors of 63 are 1, 3, 7, 9, 2, 21, and 63. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the class. See you next time. Bye-bye. Please, one more thing. Observe that this lesson is for the junior secondary. Thank you. Bye-bye.